Hello everyone, welcome back. As you can see, we've got a Motor City Muscle 66 Shelby Mustang that's getting built, but not by me, it's by Ruthie. She's a girl. She says, oh, don't film me, my hair's not done or something, but anyway, there's a quick one. Anyway, so she's already started this. It's been started a little while. We've had some stuff go on, so we couldn't get out here and work much, but she's getting it together. This is her first glue together all the way model car. She did the DeLorean here before. It turned out really good. And she did the Carol right there, and she's building this Mustang. So we've got paint on it. She's got the engine built, ready to go in. She's working on the interior. I got the dashboard detailed. So she's working on this. It's a little different when you have one that you have to glue every piece in rather than it snaps together. And obviously, snap together kits aren't quite as detailed, so quite a few questions. That's okay. But anyway, so that's where we're at, and we'll come back when there's more progress done. Alright, so we're going to help Ruthie get her decals put on now. She's got her car. For the most part, it's built. We left the wheels off. I never put those on until the end, but it's ready for the decals. So I'm going to assist her. Got a hot pot of water here, and I'm going to help her get these decals on, see if we can get this thing finished up. So I'm going to time lapse this, and you can watch us put these decals on. Welcome back. Since the last segment of the time lapse putting on these decals, that was 4 months ago. So we've had a little bit of a pause on this kit. So Ruthie's out here, we're getting the decals completed. There were a few that weren't on it still, so we're getting those put on it. She's about 6 inches taller. So her sister got married, and after that it just seems like things slowed down in her model building, but we're going to get this one finished and soaking these decals. They seem to take a lot longer. I don't know what it is, but we're going to get the ones that are right behind the hood scoop there. Going to get those on. Got some mark fit on it. So are they loose?
Kind of. I think so.
All right, so those two are going to go. They're going to go right up under the windshield wipers. That's okay. So all we got to do to this kit is to get the bumpers. There's 2 front bumpers there, because I ended up having to buy a second kit because the windshield was we had to change the windshield. So, and I think one of the bumpers got broke, so we've got to put the rear bumper. Are they coming off, sliding off?
Yes.
Okay.
No,
Don't let them ball up whenever they. We can move them once they're on there. Just don't let them, pile up. They'll slide around once they're on the car. But anyway, it's almost finished, and it looks really good. Those things, maybe they need to soak a little while longer. Okay, it's coming off. Okay, so now you'll need to get them up closer to the windshield and adjust them the width. They're not one piece, they're two different pieces. So they need to be the same width as the hood scoop. Alright, so we're gonna get these set in place, and we'll come back in just a second. Okay, so here it is, all finished up. Got the decals finished, got the bumpers on it, got the wheels on it, and it turned out looks as good as something that we would have done, guys. So anyway, yeah, it turned out looking real nice. For a, how old are you?
About to be 14.
Almost 14-year-old girl. Daddy helped a little bit, but she did build the thing. I helped her on some stuff. I helped her paint it and helped with the decals and, you know, things here and there, but for the most part she did it all. Let's pull the hood up. Let's see what the engine looks like, Ruthie. Quick view. She got the engine detailed out. Looks good. You see the inside of the car? She did detail the dashboard. And the wooden steering wheel and the shifter knob looks real good. Guys, y'all got to step up. Alright, turn it over. Let's see the bottom side. I don't usually show the bottom sides of mine, but I'll make you see hers. There you go. So it's got the gold oil pan, and the exhaust are silver. I'll put it down on the table. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look good? The wheels are black washed out. It looks nice. So these were a rental car. If anyone doesn't know that, the 350H was Hearst made or had these done, and they were rental cars. My dad would tell me stories that people would go to Hearst for the weekend and rent them a Mustang and go to the drag strip with it. And I'm sure that Hearst knew that, but I'm sure it was just a promotion. But yeah, pretty cool car. So anyway, I'll have a slideshow and picture of Ruthie holding it. And yeah, it's turned out nice. It only took shoot, about 8 months to build. So it's almost like a complete restoration of a real car. So anyway, all right, everybody. Thanks, Ruthie.
Bye.
Talk to you later. Bye.